demonstration of the REST source with Task Factory. The REST source is to retrieve a response from a REST API and send it out to a destination. In our case, we'll just be terminating the destination, but you can send this to anywhere you want, such as a flat file source, a DB destination, what have you. Let's say we've already connected our connection manager. And just for testing, we're going to be putting in a fake JSON API that displays posts. We can actually parse down to those responses in the JSON properties. We can add headers to this request, and we can page through all the particular responses that we get. This will be gone over in a later video. We have 3 different methods of paging. Authentication results is when you need to have an authorization token passed in every response. You can actually add a mapping to a particular variable that you have and parse down to that token path that has the access token. In our case, we won't need this. You'll be able to test that connection. The results grid is the data response that you'll be sending outside of the REST source, and the raw response is the complete response from the server. The endpoints tab is optional, and we will be going over it in a later video. Let's go back to the test API, and let's put this into the results grid. We'll have to parse down to these 4 token paths: user ID, title, and body. Add 4 new columns. Let's test it again, and we should see the data set look like an actual table now. This has been a demonstration of the REST source with Task Factory. For more information, you can go to SentryOne.com or our support website at support.SentryOne.com.